In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the most advanced ways to find influencer and smart wallets that I have not touched on before, as well as how to properly use Bullx Neo's new wallet tracker feature that shows their buys and sells on the chart in real time. This information is really crucial, as if you know who the holders are, you can really judge if a coin is good or not. The methods I'm going to be showing in this video are not really entry level, so if you haven't watched my first video on wallet tracking or don't understand wallet tracking fully, please watch that first so you can properly understand the content in this video. Methods I'm going to be showing in this video are really quite up to date and quite new methods, but they've already made me thousands of dollars in the past few weeks using them to find wallets. See, these are some of the examples of the P&Ls that I could have hit tracking wallets. This one, 7.63 thousand on WhatF, which was way of the future, and it hit 16 million. That's about a 2,000x right there. Insane P&L. The next one, 26,000 on Terminal of Fun, went to 21 million, another 1,000x right there. I can show you tons of these. Obviously, finding these methods, these are just some of the ones that come to the top of my head, as I have actually made money off of these coins using those wallets as conviction. The first method I'm going to be talking about in this video, it's actually not a very known method, but it's quite a smart method that I've learned from, another guy in the space. This method is actually tracking referrals. So if any major bot gives referral bonuses to influencers for signing up a lot of people, you can track these wallets that actually pay out these referrals, and you can find who are getting paid the most, and then they're most likely to be influencers. So two wallets I'm going to be showing an example of, both Bullx wallets. You can do it to anything that pays out for referrals, so Photon, whatever. It doesn't matter at all, but as long as you can find the wallet for the referral wallets, yeah, it should work. This is the first wallet here, GOE. I'll post this in the description below. This is the old Bullx wallet. And you can see here, you want to be going into the transfer section. You want to be putting the SOL, make it SOL only, and make it outflow here. And then you want to change the minimum amount to 0.5 Solana and make it outflow. So you can see all these people here are receiving more than 0.5 Solana in a day from obviously referrals. So you can see maybe this guy here. I'm not going to actually check them here because, these are all old wallets anyway. But you can see here, this guy's received 4 SOL and 2.28 SOL. This means he's getting paid about 4 SOL a day in referrals, and he might be an influencer. You might also want to be checking his GMGN. And then if it's empty here, so you can see this one doesn't really trade much. You would want to be going into these yellow related wallets. I'm not going to do all that now, as I've already shown how to do that in the past videos. But this is definitely a really good method to find people. So all you would just want to do, see these wallets, who they pay more than 0.5 Solana a day, and you can filter it even up to 3 Solana, and because it's not that hard to get 0.5 Solana a day. So not all of these will be major influencers. So if you filter it to like maybe 1 Solana, you might find a better success rate. Another wallet you can do it to, this is the current Bullx wallet, BMR. I'll leave this in the description as well. Once again, you just want to go transfers, change amount. You go token first, Solana, filter, and then you go change amount, and let's do 1 this time. And there you go. You can see all these people, probably a lot of calls in here, as they're getting paid more than 1 Solana a day. Let's have a look at this 5.5 one. That is pretty big for a, obviously just a daily referral. Empty wallet. You would want to go into the related wallets here, see where he's sending it. Let's actually go into that now. You go here, Cielo. Post it into Cielo. Yep. Let's have a look. Not actually popping up on here. Let's see. Let's go into Sol Scan. Transfers. Sol. So let's see Sol. And let me go to outflow. See where he's sending this money to. So you can see it's all linked here. This wallet. Then you go into GMGN on this wallet, and there you go. You found one influencer wallet with $22,000 sitting in it right here. This is not really active wallet, as you'd want to, dive deeper into this. But if you go through enough of these wallets, you're definitely bound to find a few influencer wallets that are actively trading. So yeah, as simple as that. You just go into Sol Scan, find any wallet here, take them, and then if they have no balance in the wallet, then you want to put it into Cielo related wallets here, as I just showed you. And then from the related wallets, you can find anything, anyone that they're sending money to, and actually just, obviously it's going to be an influencer wallet where they're trading from. So yeah, that's a really good unknown method to find influencer wallets, mainly influencers. So yeah, the next method I'm going to be talking about is actually finding wallets from giveaways. So you can either find them like here, received from 42KO. So it's just Kills posting it, which is a bit of an influencer. He's not huge, but he's definitely an influencer that you might want to look for his wallet. As you can see, he's trolling a bit here. You can see all these wallets you'll be able to find. He sent, New Winner Natch and Orangey. Obviously they didn't win a giveaway, they're big influencers themselves. But if you want to find any of these wallets, I'll show you exactly how to find it. You can use, just by seeing these 8 letters, you can actually find anyone's wallet. So it's basically using this June script. I'll put this in the description below. All you have to do is go into the find a wallet Solana section, find a wallet with the beginning and the end, and you type in the beginning. So we'll find this one first because it received from instead of sent to, which is a bit not really as good, but it doesn't matter, you can find it either way. So you want to type in 42KO and then L9ES. You go here, L9ES, and you hit to run, and I'll just come back to you when the results actually come, as it does take a little while. There you go. So it's just come back, and here is the wallet 40KO. I've just put it in, and you can see it's probably not his main wallet. It's $466 in it, but that is the exact wallet that he sent this 1.29 from. We can go into Soul Scan. We can find this transaction if you'd like. Paste it in here. Verify you're human. There we go. And just go into transactions, transfers, token, Solana. He probably sent it back most likely because it just looks like it's a bit of an attention farm. Yep, I think it was that one there, 1.296. Yeah, there you go. That is the exact transaction. So that's basically how you find a wallet from any giveaway like this, where they just post it like this right there. And yeah, it's pretty easy to do. You can do it to any giveaway wallet, anything like that, when you can see the first half and the second half. So yeah, it's definitely a good way to find influencer wallets. The next method I'm going to be showing you, I've learnt fully from this guy called Chalktree. Really good guy about wallet tracking in the space. He posts really good threads, mega threads about wallet tracking and soul scan, deep diving, and tons of other stuff. So if you don't know how to wallet track, and even if you do, go onto this guy's Twitter, give him a follow, and read some of his threads. He's got some really insane info in here about wallet tracking, and he's still pretty small in the space, so definitely show him some love. So basically, this method is any influencer that posts burns. You can easily find this. So you can see 20 million chaos was burnt. You know the things there, the CA and the coin. And you see 20 million burnt. It's not his burn, but it's someone else's. So we're gonna find his wallet. First, what you can do if you don't know like how to find these calls of the burns, just right click on it and you can press Google Lens and it will show all of these burns here. A lot of them will be from influencers. So yeah, just click on some of them and you will find some more influencer wallets. So what you want to next do is, after you see the burn, find the coin. So go into the coin soul scan. You want to go here. Let me clear the filters real quick. So we're on the coin's soul scan now. You want to go action, burn. And then change amount, we'll filter it to, let's say 10 million minimum. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And the burn should pop up here somewhere. Let me just save it real quick. And let me get rid of that filter. And not loading. Give it 1 second. There we go. There's the burn right there. 20 million 2 months ago. And the wallet is burn chaos 2. That's this is the from address. So this is the guy who burnt the Solana. You do this with any influencer, just any wallet in general. A lot of them will send it from another wallet so they don't burn the whole bag. So you can see here, he probably sent chaos, I'm guessing. Yeah, created from chaos. Yeah, from here. So this is his wallet. This was his main wallet at the time when he bought the coin. So yeah, that's definitely a really easy way. If you see any influencers posting them burning a coin, or just anyone in general that you're interested in finding their wallet, if they burnt a coin, it's really simple to do. So you can just do it like that. And if you don't know how to find these, once again, just go into Google Lens, crop it to the top, just like that, and you'll see Rich the Kid, early birds, tons and tons of tweets and Reddit posts and just everything here to find wallets to do. Once again, Chalktree taught me this method. I'm not going to take credit for it, so please do drop him a follow in the description. So the last thing I'm actually going to be talking about is Bullx Neo. This is by far the best trading bot to use, and it's actually just added a wallet tracker function. So if you're not signed up for this, the public access is coming very soon. So if you're signed up already, you will get early access to the public. So I've left the invite link in the description below, as it is invite only at the minute. So if you do want to sign up to Bullx before Neo comes out to the public, definitely do that now. So I'll just be talking about the wallet tracker and yeah, just how to actually use them. You know, once you've actually found the wallets, you want to put them all in here. So every single wallet you want to put in here. You can use this as your main wallet tracker. I'm still using Raybot though. So I just put the, you know, wallet name, whatever, and then you just paste the address in here. And then, yeah, you basically want to tag the wallets. So you can tag them as, you know, the only two tags I've made so far is Trencher and Alpha. So basically you can see, you know, Trencher or Alpha. I don't want to scroll through all my wallets in there, but yeah, you definitely want to just look at that. There'll be Trenchers, Alphas, and you can see it on the chart in real time, as well as in the holders. So once you add them, you can see Gake, big Twitter guy. He's top holder on this potato coin. So you can actually filter where he bought and where he sold. This will show in real time on the actual version. It's just a little bit glitchy right now. It does work if you're on the chart when they actually buy. So if you're on the chart when they do buy, it will show up. So it'll show, say, if you sold here, you can see it'll say one of your like tracked wallets sold, and then you can hover over it and it'll say Gake sold 2.5k. So you can see here, you know, he bought at down here and he sold up here. You can see I've got multiple other wallets as top holders on this coin. I've got Xander here, Xander ETH. He's a pretty good trader as well. And you can once again filter it to where he's bought and sold. You can see most of his buys are here, and he's starting to sell a little bit up here. So yeah, it's definitely a really, really good tool to use, as it does show on the chart in real time. It's a little bit glitched now, as it is still in beta testing. But once it comes out to the public, definitely sign up for this. You can just sign up for the normal Bullx, and then you will get access to this version. So yeah, just want to add it here. Add your tags, Alpha, Trencher, you know, whatever you want to tag them. It doesn't matter. You can turn on alerts here, whether you want to get alerts or not for the wallets. And yeah, you can add as many as you want, and it's pretty good to do. It definitely helps with your trading and helps you build conviction in the coin. I've been doing this the last few days. It's definitely best bot by far as well. I've added a DCA feature. I don't know of any other bots that do have a DCA feature, so you can DCA over different times automatically. Rotate wallets between things, market cap ranges. It's got so many features. Definitely the best trading bot, but that wallet tracking feature, I've been liking it the last few days. It's also added multi-charts here, so you can see multiple charts at once. They've also added more portfolio looking, so you can see your portfolio you know, progress, making sure you're making profits on it. And there's lots of guides and other things that come with Bullx. But the wallet tracking feature, definitely best thing they've added as of recently. So you want to be adding all your wallets on here, whether you use an external tracker or not, as it does show on the chart. I would use this over Photon, Trojan, any other bot. That no other bot has this. No other bot has multi-wallets. No other bot has DCA feature. It's just really by far the best trading bot out. It also has, you know, better fills and other stuff like that. So yeah, definitely if you're not using this trading bot, you're missing out. That's about it for the video. I'm sorry for not uploading for about a month. So as you know, a bit of a payback for that, I will be doing a giveaway over on my Twitter. So when this video is uploaded, there will be a giveaway pinned to my profile. It'll be probably for 3 Solana for 3 people. I posted one recently, so all you'll have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment, and also retweet the tweet and comment your wallet address. Also, please do follow Chalktree. A lot of these methods I did learn from this guy Chalktree, so I will leave them in the description. And also, if you haven't joined the Discord already, not sure what you're doing, there's free tweet catchers in here, free wallet trackers. There's tons of stuff in here that is worth doing. So yeah, go ahead and do all those things now. And yeah, I think that is about it for the video. I'll see you next time.